My name is Richard Lobb, and I'm the president and the founder of Hytec Water Management. We specialize in resolving pinhole problems in Vancouver and coastal water areas. The responsibility for corrosion of a property's plumbing really falls within the owner of the building. So the city is generally making a high-quality drinking water, and water can react very uniquely in all different structures. So it's impossible for them to produce a source of water that's corrosion-free when you think about how complex plumbing can be in a high-rise. So that's where Hytec comes in, is that we know buildings better than anybody. We know how to optimize corrosion protection, and it works in partnership with high-quality drinking water that the city provides.
Water that comes in that hasn't been treated with a corrosion inhibitor into copper piping system like we have a lot of in Vancouver, especially with the soft water. So the water is going to come in and it's going to cause corrosion in the copper pipes. So little atoms of copper are going to get dissolved into the water and sucked off the pipe, and eventually you'll end up getting a little pinhole leak in the copper pipe.
We find that pinhole leaks can be a major problem for buildings, and particularly the Lower Mainland because of the nature of our water.
What we're essentially doing at Hytec is adding natural minerals. Many of our customers refer to it as mineral water treatments, and they're actually quite accurate. So we introduce a little bit of hardness to the water that is designed to be attracted to your plumbing walls. And in doing so, it'll form hard protective coatings that lengthen the life of our plumbing substantially.
Well, if you're already at pinhole leak, that means in a life cycle of building, you're anywhere from 5 to 12 years when pinholes generally start to make themselves known to a building. You're starting to get insurance claims, your deductibles are starting to go up, and at that point, the strata has to look very carefully at how they want to move forward. The old way of doing it was, oh, it's time to repipe.
Hytec systems you don't purchase, and the reason you don't purchase them is because they require maintenance and service, and we replace them every 3 years. So we have what we call a rent program, where you're incurring all of our services, our on-site services, our products and treatments. Our partnerships with our plumbing companies mean that we have trucks on the road 24 hours a day to ensure high-quality service. Installation is a 3-day process. The tenant is only affected on the middle day, the second day where we actually turn off the water, where sometimes replacing your pipes can take you months. So it's a fairly small footprint in your life to get to the benefits, which is non-leaking pipes. Hytec can't put anything in your drinking water unless it's been certified, and our products are certified around the world for this process.
All of Hytec's products are NSF certified. NSF it's a non-governmental organization that certifies chemicals for drinking water use, food use, and lots of other consumer uses. So anything that goes into city water has to be NSF certified, and obviously anything that Hytec uses also has to be NSF certified.
We manage currently well over 400 buildings, which is really thousands of condominiums. We go from commercial properties like Rogers Arena, Pan Pacific Hotels, City Halls, all trust Hytec systems because of the accuracy and the quality and the knowledge that we possess. Once Hytec process gets into the plumbing, it begins to fill in those pinholes that have not developed into a full-blown leak, and the coatings will fill up the holes until we get an equal surface in the inside and resolve the issue from the inside out. And it's just all designed to look after you better, and we can bring you a better price for a high-quality product. That's what it's all about.
Thank you.